Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have SoundPeats GoFree2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of reasons. The first one would be troubleshooting if the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they're not syncing, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. A hard reset to default factory settings can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and having them forget all of the devices they've been connected to so that you can pair them with a new device, this will go ahead and work for it. So what you want to do is you want to have them in the case and you want to go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off on whatever devices you've had them paired to before and have them forget the device. Then you're going to pull them out of, open the case and take them out. And it doesn't matter on either the left or the right ear. You can go ahead and just tap 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in relatively quick succession on the multifunction button of either of the earbuds. At which point, a couple seconds after that, you should hear a double tone. It should sound 2 times, and your earbuds will be reset. All you need to do then is just put them back in the case, close the case, wait a couple seconds, open the case up, take the earbuds out, and repair them as a new device.